You probably know robotic lawnmowers. It's a lot of work to dig in their perimeter cables. And eventually they'll chop up any of your belongings in your yard. Not to mention their technology. It's more than 25 years old. Forget everything you know about robotic lawnmowers. Let me introduce myself. I'm Toadi, the world's first and only autonomous lawn robot. I don't need a perimeter cable. I mow in straight lines. And I also mow borders. I see the world just as you do. With my artificial intelligence, I'm able to detect objects and animals. I love you and your family. I'll safely mow around anyone. With my computer vision technology, I'll always know where I'm located in your garden. It allows me to safely navigate around in it, autonomously, without any external sensors or cables. I'll avoid driving into your pool. I won't bump into objects. Oh, and I recognize fences and don't crash into them. Hey, that's probably why I'm always first in class. Thanks to my superb vision, I'll always find my way home to my charger. And dock in style. For the more complex yards, I can cross to another zone all by myself. You're going to love me when you like flower beds in your garden. You can instruct me not to mow there, so the bees and butterflies can flourish. But if needed, I can easily handle the most difficult and challenging terrains. That's why my all-terrain tires and powerful motor can tackle hills up to 45% and cover areas that are as large as an American football field. And don't worry about the grass clippings. I use mulching technology and continuously mow a micro-tiny clipping of the grass. Your grass will always look perfect and healthy. At night, I will stand guard with my night vision camera and spot people up to 32 yards. I'll send you a message with a picture to your smartphone. I'm the world's first robot that doesn't need a manual. Not only that, I don't have any button, no keypad, no nothing. Simply because I don't need all of that. I'm smart, you know. You can install me as easy as 1, 2, 3. 1. Install the app. 2. Plug in my charger. You can easily install me close to your power socket. 3. Walk with me around your yard. And that's all it takes. Easy peasy, isn't it? The people who created me redesigned me from scratch. They made sure I wouldn't harm the environment. That's why I'm produced out of 81% of cornstarch. And I'm produced locally through 3D printing in every country I'm sold, supporting the local economy. And don't forget you are buying the future as well. I'll check every night for a software update and get new skills downloaded via the internet. I'll keep evolving and do more and more work for you. If you want some assistance for your lawn, just order me. I'm happy to help you out. Unless on Sunday. Everybody deserves a day off.